Oh, me? Feels like I always have the problem.
Team Christian. I wish I could play the guitar.
Me too.
He plays drums though. He's sweet with it. Team iPhone. Being Team iPhone explains the rest of you. Cause like if you're Team iPhone, then they already know you swagging. But then I hate ratchet girls with iPhones. Though, like when I see a girl, and you always know she like is ratchet if she has a black one. That's just yeah, you don't deserve an iPhone. Joy's into these DCs, which these are pretty dope though. I don't know how I'm in a group with y'all too.
Shout out to our non-existent haters.
There's 2 haters that I know. One of them's always commenting on our YouTubes talking about
they say
you look.
They don't
I know. Are you lot serious?
You look serious.
You went funny. Wait, God.
they
I like that Zimbabwean comedian. What is his name? The one that did like that Zimbabwe parties or whatever. That dude hilarious with it.
Yeah, shout out to him.
Even though nobody knows his name.
You funny though.
They know the Zim parties, the Zimbabwean time, ZMT.
This one time I was in Zimbabwe and I was watching like a high school basketball game. The final score was like 5-3, and it was extra weird because we used to like 107 to like 99. It was like 5-3 though.
Shout out Team Musala.
Team Musala for real, for real.
Oh, the Salah's in the building. Shout out Team Matus.
I don't know about all Africans, but Zimbabwean girls are drama. Yeah, I'm about to lose about 100 followers for saying that. Yeah, we're gonna cut that out. I'm scared. I'm not gonna say I'm scared of spiders, but I hate spiders and I hate snakes. I get like this weird feeling when I see a snake, kill it, or
yo,
dip
them
out.
Zim garden snakes were on some other stuff though. Shout out Kumusa. And when boy I made you hold those legs of the goat. Yeah, like,
even the chicken, like you gotta cut off the head though.
Yeah.
Like,
nah, see, my boy made me chase a chicken, bro. I was like, Bamneen over there.
Jumping on.
Bamneen saying like, and find out,
I used to hate watching my dad eating my limby. When them little caterpillars do, like, oh, like, are you serious? And he'll put peanut butter in it too. I'm like, really?
straight grabbing on.
I just stick to my lasagna.